Scatterplots. Understand how to interpret scatterplots and the relationship between variables. Identify trends, patterns, and outliers in scatterplots. Use scatterplots to make predictions based on data. Goals for this lesson. Understand how to interpret scatterplots and the relationship between variables. Identify trends, patterns, and outliers in scatterplots. Use scatterplots to make predictions based on data. Basic rule. Step 1. Analyze the axes. Check the labels and scales on the x-axis and y-axis to understand what each represents. Step 2. Identify the trend. Look for patterns such as positive, negative, or no correlation between the variables. Step 3. Look for outliers. Identify any points that do not fit the overall pattern of the data. Repeat after me. Given a scatterplot showing the relationship between study hours and test scores. Step 1. The x-axis represents study hours, and the y-axis represents test scores. Step 2. As study hours increase, test scores tend to increase, indicating a positive correlation. Step 3. There are no clear outliers in the data. A scatterplot shows the number of hours spent exercising versus weight loss. Step 1. The x-axis is hours exercised and the y-axis is weight lost. Step 2. The points show a negative trend, suggesting that more exercise correlates with more weight loss. Step 3. One point shows a significant weight loss with minimal exercise, indicating an outlier. Common mistakes include: the scatterplot shows a positive trend, but I said there is no correlation. I identified an outlier without checking if it fits the overall pattern. Correct versions are: the scatterplot shows a positive trend, indicating a correlation between the variables. I identified an outlier after confirming it does not fit the overall pattern. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. In a scatterplot of temperature versus ice cream sales, what trend would you expect to see? Answer: positive correlation. 2. Which statement is true if a scatterplot shows no clear pattern? A. There is a strong correlation. B. There is a weak correlation. C. There is no correlation. Answer: C. 3. A scatterplot shows a negative correlation between hours of sleep and caffeine consumption. What does this suggest? A. More sleep leads to more caffeine. B. Less sleep leads to more caffeine. C. Sleep has no effect on caffeine consumption. Answer: B. Pro tip. Always examine the axes and look for trends and outliers in scatterplots. Use the patterns you identify to make informed predictions about the data. Summary. Scatterplots visually represent the relationship between two variables. Identifying trends helps in understanding how one variable affects another.